That game is shit. Let's see. Kai, blame it. What? About what? Oh my God! No! What happened? Oh my! Bye. Get the. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Nigga, what?
You go too far sometimes. Like you don't do that in our house. Kai, in the new AMP house. Kai, not in my house. Kai, you see when your little tail.
Hold on. I'll be right back. Let me go talk.
You ain't coming by my house and doing that shit. You hear what I said? Hello. Stop freezing. Okay, you're not gonna freeze right now.
I'm sorry.
Kai, it's running. Kai.
Yeah.
You're not. Kai, you're never. There's never gonna be a lighter in my house.
And I try to tell him. Right? He don't be listening.
Number two, they need to take lighters from you.
It was Chris.
No, it was
Chris.
Mama Cenat, I tried to tell him. No. Mama Cenat, I tried to tell him. I tried to stop him.
Wait, first of all, let me bring up the chat. You see, as soon as I hung up with you, the chat was like, no, Mama Cenat, he lying.
Yo, that's cap.
Come on, bro. Like, come on. You lied to your mom?
I love the chat with the mafia,
Yo, mom.
Elsa.
Chris is here. He the one that told me to do everything.
No, Chris.
Listen, Mama Cenat. I promise you. Look, you know I'm a stand-up well guy. You know what I'm saying? I would never do anything like that. This is our home. This is where we live. I would never ever do something like that. That's so disrespectful.
Yeah,
Like,
but you just told me when I...
Yup.
No.
Yeah, he did. Yes, he did.
look, Mama Cenat. He said, "Oh, Chris is an editor. I don't even edit the AMP vids no more." Yeah, right, right. Look, L son. Look. I know Devontae not doing that shit. I mean doing that stuff, ma'am. And it's just like.
In the future, right? So that I don't see your little tail.
Yup.
No.
Yup. The reason why I did it was because Chris came downstairs and was like, "Come on, let's do it." So that's why I gained the confidence to light that shit and let that motherfucker. It was by accident.
Chris, hello?
Mama Cenat, how you doing?
Listen, I'm alright. Do me a favor, right? Make sure Kai don't do nothing like this in the future because this stuff is really dangerous.
Yeah, that's really dangerous. I tried to tell him. He's like, bro, nothing's gonna happen. Like
But at the same time though, the person that told us both to do it at the same time was Agent.
Oh yeah, Agent. Yeah, it was. Yeah.
He's the
yeah.
one. Agent was the one that told us to do it the whole time.
I was gonna stop Kai, but Agent came in and said, yeah.
Because if you look at the end, Agent was like, oh.
I could imagine the chat right now. I can't see the chat because I'm on the phone.
It was definitely Agent.
They're lying.
No, it was
Chris,
Agent.
let me put on this phone now, Chris, and I'm gonna go see what the mafia says. If the mafia says that you lying, Chris, I'm gonna call back.
No, you know what? Because they know I'm telling the truth. Mama Cenat, I would never.
Come over for Thanksgiving. You can't come over for Christmas. If I find out you was lying tonight, you can porn.
Listen. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anyway, Kai, back to you. Kai, you're never coming over here, right?
What?
Over here, right? Like what you just did tonight. You hear what I said?
What?
You hear what I said?
What?
When you come and set up your little set, when Kai come home and set up his little set, Mafia, he never gonna be doing this in Mama Cenat house. So y'all stream when he in Mama Cenat house gonna be mad boring because he never. I'm gonna be round the clock. I can't wait till he comes. But anyway, Kai, stop lying.
Yeah, Mama Cenat, I be telling him he cannot keep lying to you, bro. He's too grown for that. He's about to turn 21 this year, bro. I understand.
Kai, stop lying.
Yeah, I be telling him.
Look. You're gonna be 21, not 12.
Yeah, not 12. Mama Cenat, I'm 24. I'm 24, and you know I wouldn't do no little kid stuff like that.
The chat is literally trying to be so mature right now. But if you look to where before I try to let everything up, they always say to myself, just do it. Stop being soft. Do it.
No, I was watching the chat say that how you taking chances. Stop, bro. Stop. some people saying, yeah. So if they tell you to jump over the bridge, you go jump over the bridge?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Come on now, nigga. That's our supporters. They give you money. Hell yeah.
I'm not saying it's, the time you have been on your own too long, I have exactly less than a month to be your guardian. When you hit 21, you well, big man. You understand? So I need to come to Atlanta right now. And I give you a good beating before you hit 21. Yes. Yes.
That's what I'm talking about, Mama Cenat. That's some yeah. That's our parents. Yeah. Yeah.
Listen.
Well, hey, what you gonna do? What you gonna do though? Like what kind of like smacking the head, like smacking the face?
No, Caribbean women don't think we just grab anything we see. It could be a belt, it could be a shoe, it could be, yo, let me tell you, it could be
Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. W pound, L son. Hey, look, I be trying to tell people to start disciplining their kids. They're getting soft now. Yeah, Mama Cenat. Like, yeah. I'm proud of you. That's some real thing that you did right there. Like I've been saying, parents been getting soft these days. Hey, whoop his ass before he's 21. I mean, whoop him before he's 21. You got one more month.
We all know that you want to go into mainstream acting, right? And I'm telling you right now, you are the next phase of Home Alone 4. I know you are not too old because you are only 5'8", so you could pass for 12.
5'8"?
Right?
Yeah.
So I'm letting you know now. Everybody out there, Mafia, 20th Century Fox, Kai will be the next phase of Home Alone 4. You see the stuff that he's doing? Like, he'll be the best movie, new phase, new everything for Home Alone 4. So guys, be manifesting this, okay, guys? Kai gonna be the next new phase of the
No, I want to star in Static Shock.
Okay, alright. Do whatever you gotta do, but you're gonna be Home Alone 4.
Nah, Static Shock is more me.
I know everybody could see that. You know what I'm saying? Like Kai as Home Alone 4. Yo.
Static Shock.
I'm a Static Shock your ass.
That's what I'm talking about. Yes, I was like, when you talking about movie roles, Mama Cenat? That was like movie roles, right? They talking about being his ass. I mean, I'm whooping him.
All right, ma.
And you're never gonna come over here and do that kind of shit.
All right, ma.
Anyway, so I just want to big up the Mafia for always loving and supporting. And I just want to say everywhere I go, I get extra everything because I'm Kai's in that mom. So I just want to say thank you to everybody for giving me the recognition. And Kai, I miss you and I love you. And stop eating McDonald's. And can you be a good boy and don't lie to your mother?
Come on,
okay?
bro. Come on, bro.
All right.
You lying to your mom, bro.
And to you, Mr. Editor, I'm watching you. Good night.
Good night.
I thought I told her I was done with that shit, bro.
Come keep treating me like a little ass boy, nigga.
Yeah.
I'm a grown ass fucking man.
Yeah, I've been
bro.
saying that on
At
the
the end
phone.
of the fucking day,
Yeah.
I get to do whatever the fuck I want.
Real
You
shit.
me? That's my dukes and shit.
Yeah.
But god damn, the bitches is watching, bro.
Yeah.
The bitches is watching, bro.
Yeah.
How the fuck, bro? Bro, you think the bitches want a nigga that's under the supervision of his mom, bro?
Nah, hell no.
What the fuck?
Yeah, bro. Hey, I say, and when she try to beat you, hey, when you come home and she try to beat you before you turn 21, grab it. Right? If she try to use a belt, grab her hand. It shows who boss. Show who a real nigga, bro.
Well, that's what I'm saying, bro. I'm
So,
a grown ass
yeah,
man, bro.
When she do that shit, bro, just
I just feel like the bitches not gonna like that shit. Like, you know, it's all about the bitches. Like, nothing more. Like, bro, come on. Out of everything, bro, bitches is number one.
Yeah, what's
You know what I'm saying? Bro, like, the bitches, though, bro, like, come on. You know, they that's what they want, bro.
And if
They
you
want a
get
grown
spanked-
ass
if you get a-
man.
if you get a spanking,
Cause look, if I get to do what the fuck I want, bitch gonna be like, oh my god, it's giving manly. Oh my god, it's giving husband material. That's what I want to hear.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When she try to attack you, say nah. Just grab it. Just say nah. The bitches is watching. Say that. All right.
I bet.
Real shit, bro. I'm proud of you, bro.
I'm proud of you too, bro. All right, man. Where the fuck you got another tank top from? The fuck you getting another tank top from? Didn't I just rip your shit? So niggas just got unlimited tank tops in this bitch?
Damn.
Huh?
Jeez Louise, my brother.
Take the switch back on, bro.
Oh.
I didn't see that. Yo, can we watch the clip one more time? Yo, that's fuck.
Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm telling you. Yeah, Mr. Editor is crazy, right? Oh, my God. That was crazy, right? Why is everybody saying... Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Fuck you, Mr. Editor. Oh, my gosh, bruh. Like, come on.